Evolutionary psychology seeks to understand human behavior by examining how natural selection has shaped cognitive and behavioral patterns over time. When it comes to the evolutionary psychology of men in the context of romance, several key principles are often discussed. 1. Mate selection. Evolutionary theory suggests that men, like other species, are driven by the fundamental urge to reproduce and pass on their genes to the next generation. Men, therefore, may be subconsciously inclined to seek traits and potential mates that signal fertility and reproductive health. This can include physical features associated with youth and health. 2. Attractiveness. Men may be evolutionarily predisposed to find certain physical characteristics attractive in women, such as facial symmetry, clear skin, and an hourglass figure. These traits are thought to signal reproductive fitness and the ability to bear healthy offspring. 3. Resource acquisition. Evolutionary psychology also considers the role of resource acquisition in male mating strategies. Historically, men who were able to provide resources and support for their offspring had a higher likelihood of their offspring surviving and reproducing, thus passing on their genes. This could translate into a preference for men who can display social status, wealth, or resources. 4. Short-term versus long-term mating strategies. Evolutionary psychology suggests that men may have evolved with dual mating strategies. In short-term relationships, men might prioritize physical attractiveness, signaling reproductive health. In long-term relationships, factors such as commitment, emotional support, and parenting abilities may become more important. 5. Jealousy. Evolutionary psychology suggests that men may be more prone to experiencing sexual jealousy, as the risk of investing resources in offspring that are not genetically related is higher for men than for women. This stems from the need to ensure their reproductive success by preventing their mates from being involved with other potential partners. 6. Parental investment. Evolutionary theory emphasizes the concept of parental investment, where males and females invest differently in reproduction. Women typically invest more in gestation and nursing, while men invest more in acquiring resources for the family. This can influence mating preferences and behaviors. It's essential to note that while evolutionary psychology provides valuable insights into human behavior, it doesn't account for the full complexity of individual experiences, cultural influences, and the impact of social and environmental factors on romantic relationships. Additionally, individuals vary widely in their preferences and behaviors, and not all men conform to these evolutionary patterns in the same way.